Hi everyone, Bronte here. Welcome to today's Clean and Declutter with me. I am so excited about today's video and I am so excited to have you all here. Today I'm going to be cleaning up after Christmas, cleaning up all of the toys and all of the mess that was left behind from when Santa came, and I'm not going to be taking down Christmas decor today. We like to wait until after the new year. So we are going to clean and declutter and tackle this mess. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stick around for all things cleaning, lifestyle, and motherhood. I upload on my channel every single week and there's always a lot of fun stuff around here, especially cleaning motivation because I'm a stay-at-home mama of two and I'm always cleaning.
'Cause when I dance, get nobody on the floor. You move me to my core. 'Cause when I feel like
Are you guys ready to tackle this mess? It's a bit of a disaster. We didn't pick anything up from Christmas Day. We kind of just left it and said, hey, whatever, let's just enjoy Christmas. So I have a big old mess to clean up. I'm also going to go through the kids' toys and declutter them and get rid of anything that they don't play with, put it in a box to take to be donated. But first things first, we're going to pick all the stuff up off the floor so that we can actually walk through the house without stepping on toys, stepping on crayons, stepping on snacks, whatever is on the floor.
putting up a charade, I was stumbling. I need your love, gonna cave in, just so you know. 'Cause when I dance, get nobody on the floor. You move me to my core. 'Cause when I feel like nobody, like nobody. You got me feeling good, like I'm drowning in your love. You got me feeling good, knock on wood. You got me feeling hurt, like I'm trembling from your touch. You got me feeling hurt, knock on wood. You got me feeling good. You got me feeling good. Knock on wood. Got me drowning.
So my house was such a mess from Christmas, but I'm pretty sure the disorganization of all of the toys in our toy ottoman and all the baskets downstairs was probably the biggest mess and the biggest thing to tackle today. So I'm going to take everything out of each individual square on this ottoman. There's 4 squares in total, and remove the stuff one square at a time, not to overwhelm myself. And then I'm going to vacuum out each little box and then try to organize everything. I'm going to sort through every toy, pick out pieces that are broken or just are missing and throw those away. And then I'm going to pick out all of the toys that still have life left in them, that still can be loved by other children, and put those in a box to take to be donated.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get
too much method to the madness with the organization, but I did put all of the cars and trains and stuff like that in one side, games and books in another, Kingsley's baby dolls and stuffed animals in one, and then all of Tegan's toy guns are gonna go in another box. And then you see me here just picking everything up off the floor that actually needs to go upstairs, that is stored upstairs or played with upstairs. So I'm putting everything in a bag just to make it easier for me to actually haul it up the stairs along with all of the other toys from Christmas.
Stronger than I ever been.
I'm also going to wipe the ottoman down using Kirkland disinfecting wipes. These are my favorite disinfectant wipes ever. They work so well. They're really large. They don't rip easy. And I'm just going to wipe every little schmegma, crumb, and all that jazz that comes with having kids off of the ottoman. It's a pleather ottoman, so I don't get scared wiping it down with any disinfectant wipes or any cleaning sprays. It has lasted many, many years by doing this, but I just need to disinfect everything, wipe everything down really well because I hadn't in so long, and I figured if I was organizing the ottoman, I might as well clean it up too. So I'm just gonna vacuum the floors, get all of the crumbs off of the floors. My biggest pet peeve ever is having crumbs or stuff stick to my feet when I'm walking around the house, so I vacuum pretty often, and I love using my Shark Rocket upright vacuum. It is such a good vacuum that is decently priced and really compact, and it has great maneuverability, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm also going to dust our little TV stand, get all of the glitter and all of the little pine needles from my garland off, and just get everything nice and cleaned up, just so that it's not such a total mess when I go to take down all of the Christmas decor. I don't want dust and glitter flying everywhere.
What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Na na na, we ain't got the time. I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke.
Time to get this kitchen straightened up. I'm going to start by unloading the dishwasher. We have been running the dishwasher quite often because I've been baking a ton, we've been cooking a ton, and my in-laws are in town staying with us. So I'm going to unload the dishwasher, and then I'm going to load the dishwasher and get this kitchen all nice and cleaned up. The kitchen was such a mess. There was food splatters everywhere. There's flour everywhere and sugar everywhere from all of the baking that I had done. So I'm just going to get this place straightened up, back in working order, and back and feeling fresh and clean so that I am not stressing out. Does anybody else get super stressed out when their house is a mess? I get such anxiety having it be messy and just having crumbs everywhere or stuff on the counters. It really bothers me. Maybe I'm alone in that. Maybe I'm not. Let me know down below. Are you like me? Do you like your house straightened up? I mean, it is really hard to keep the house clean at all times with kids, and that's just mom life, and I have to learn to accept that.
There is nothing to be broken. in this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts bumping blue, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises.
If you guys are new around here, then you do not know this, but we recently just put this stainless steel sink in, and I am obsessed with it. I had a white, old, porous double sink before that just was not it. I'm obsessed with this sink, and what's been working for me to get it nice and clean, because stainless steel is obviously different than white porcelain, I've just been using my dish washing rag, and I use the softer side with dish soap, and then I just scrub the sink really well, and then I like to wipe the sink down, and I've been trying to use a stainless steel cleaner on it, and that has been working to keep it sparkling clean on the outside, but I need to figure something out to keep the basin actually clean and sparkling. I have harder water here living in Vegas, and it does leave water spots, so if you have any tips for cleaning a stainless steel sink, let me know down below. I would love to get some tips and advice from you guys. What works for you to keep your sink nice and sparkling clean? I do clean it pretty much every time I do dishes, as I don't want food particles stuck to it or getting really grungy and dingy. So let me know down below, if you have a stainless steel sink, what are you using to clean yours?
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really.
Oh my gosh, so this is going to be one of my last cleaning videos with the counters looking like this. I have one more video that I had filmed before we did our counters just recently in the last couple of days, and I am so excited to share them with you guys, and so excited to bring cleaning videos to you guys with our kitchen getting updated. And oh my gosh, I'm just ecstatic about how they turned out, and I cannot wait for you guys to see them. I'm actually going to have a video on how we epoxied our counters to give them that marble granite look on a budget, like way on a budget, not thousands of dollars to put new countertops in, and you guys are going to be shocked at how great they turned out. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around for that. That will be up at the end of next week, and I'm so excited about it.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for.
So I recently started using Thieves Cleaner to clean the surfaces in my kitchen, and I am loving it. My cousin actually gave me a big sample of it, and I'm just obsessed with it. Not only does it smell wonderful and make the house smell wonderful, it actually works really well, and I'm loving that it's more natural. Do you guys use it? Are you obsessed with it too? It seriously smells so nice. I just love it. I'm actually going to have to purchase it from now on. I don't sell Young Living, but I do really love this Thieves Cleaner. So what cleaners are you guys using in your house? I also really love me some bleach, so I'm not fully natural with the cleaning products over here, but I do really love this Thieves Cleaner. I've been using the Thieves Cleaner on my floors as well. I don't really know if it's a floor cleaner, but I've been using it as a floor cleaner, and it's been working fine. Hasn't ruined my floors at all, and like I said, it makes everything smell super amazing. I just fill my O-Cedar Easy Ring mop bucket up with super hot water, and then I spray my mixture of Thieves in water on the floor, and it's been working wonderful. So I don't know if it's a floor cleaner, but you guys should give it a try because it's awesome.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a
I hope that this video has gotten you super motivated to tackle your cleaning, to tackle your to-do list, and get whatever done that you need to get done. Maybe it's taking down your Christmas decor or just cleaning up your house. Thank you guys so much for being here and so much for watching. It means the world to me to have you all here. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new around here and you haven't already done so. Thank you guys again. Happy New Year. I am so excited to go into 2020 with you guys, and I cannot wait for what is to come for this channel. Thank you guys again. Have an amazing day, and I'll catch you in the next video.
There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then